All right, let's talk about a new buzzword that's been making the rounds in tech: vibe coding.
It sounds kind of magical, doesn't it? You just ask for some code and boom, you can ship it.
But is it really that simple? Well, from years of experience, the hard truth is not even close.
This quote absolutely nails it. Without a real plan, AI code is just expensive dummy code.
And code like that, it's never going to survive in a live production environment. Let's see why.
Sure, the code compiles, but it often solves the wrong problem and creates massive technical debt.
So what's the big takeaway here? You just can't skip the fundamentals. It's that simple.
Things like deep analysis and real domain expertise, AI just can't do this stuff for you.
But look, there is a much better way to work with AI. Let me show you.
The right approach is all about putting the deep thinking before you even touch the AI. First up, you got to invest the time to really understand the problem and document everything. Next, you design the architecture. This is your blueprint. The AI doesn't write a single line yet. Okay, now you bring in the AI. Think of it as an accelerator for your well-laid plan. And this is crucial. You always have to review and refine what the AI gives you.
Don't get me wrong, AI is an incredible tool for moving fast, a total game changer for velocity.
But it's just not a replacement for actual critical thinking, not by a long shot.
Here's the real key. AI is an amplifier. It makes a good plan better. It can't create one.
So the best developers of tomorrow, they're not just going to be fast, they're going to be the deepest thinkers.
Which leaves us with a really important question. Are we focusing too much on the hype?